My name is Felipe Eichenberger. I'm with AT Steel University, and this is a video for my exercise and sports related nutrition class. Although many certified personal trainers and strength coaches are not certified nutritionists, nutrition is a topic that will always surface while training athletes and clients. Since the subjects are related, it is important to know the basics of nutrition so that you can help your clients to achieve their goals, but also to know when would be best to consult a certified nutritionist. In my opinion, basic knowledge should involve things like explaining theories heard by different people in the gym and concepts found in fitness magazines, such as the definition of a carbohydrate, a protein, and a fat. I had experience with many people who do not know what a carbohydrate is, for example. In this presentation, I will be talking about a theory that many of my male clients who are trying to gain muscle mass often ask me. The theory involves protein consumption during the 30-minute window that follows a workout. I will explore the timing of this consumption and how much protein should be taken. A question commonly asked by my client is, if my goal is to gain muscle mass, do I have to eat or drink a protein shake within 30 minutes of my workout? And how many protein shakes should I take per day? First of all, let's talk about this 30-minute window. According to studies by Aragon and Schwenfeld, 2013, this window is also known as the metabolic window of opportunity, whereby a limited time exists after resistance training to optimize training related muscular adaptation. This metabolic window is mentioned so often in the gym because studies demonstrate that taking protein immediately following a workout can reduce the protein breakdown that occurs during and after a session of resistance training. Aragon and Schwenfeld, 2013. However, the exact time that you have to consume a protein after your resistance training session is misinterpreted by many people. Aragon and Schwenfeld, 2013, suggested that this window extends up to 4 to 6 hours from the last time that you consume a meal before training. And Ivy and Schwenfeld, 2014, showed in a review that muscle is sensitized to protein consumption in the post-workout period, and the sensitization can last up to 24 hours. Unfortunately, these studies use a limited amount of participants, and a takeaway message can be misconstrued. It is important to understand you don't have to run to the locker room after workout to drink a protein shake. You have more than 30 minutes. Therefore, focus on going hard during your workout and don't worry about drinking a protein shake right away. You have more than enough time to replenish after your workout. Now that you know a little bit more about the metabolic window and the time of consumption, let's talk about how much protein you should be consuming daily so you can achieve your goal of hypertrophy. I am not a certified nutritionist, so I will only guide you through some baselines that I know based on studies that I have read and certifications I have taken. Bacall and Earl, 2008, show that for muscle gains, an athlete should consume up to 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. When you calculate the total amount of protein, you then divide the number by the amount of meals that you're going to eat a day. For example, if your need of protein is 200 grams per day and you are planning on eating about 4 meals per day, you should eat about 50 grams of protein per meal, or 800 calories should come from your protein daily. This amount of protein for athletes and active people that perform heavy resistance training is also confirmed in a review completed by Evans 2001. So, since your goal is to gain muscle mass, the amount of daily protein intake should be considered. In conclusion, after we had this talk about the metabolic window and the amount of protein that you should be consuming in order to maximize hypertrophy, the message should be that the time that you have to drink or eat protein is longer than 30 minutes, according to the reviews by Aragon and Schoenfeld 2013 and Ivy and Schoenfeld 2014. You should not focus on the time that you take your protein as much as the amount of it that you consume. Ensuring that your body gets appropriate amount of protein is what's most important in this situation.